merciful, very Matthew, having lighted a torch of pine wood, passed down from the hill into the valley, for he had business in his own home. And kneeling on the flintstones of the valley of desolation, he saw a young man who was naked and weeping. His hair was the color of honey, and his body was as a white flower. But he had wounded his body with thorns, and on his hair had he set ashes as a crown. And he who had great possessions said to the young man who was naked and weeping, I do not wonder that your sorrow is so great, for surely he was a just man. And the young man answered, it is not for him that I am weeping, but for myself. I too have changed water into wine, and I have healed the leper and given sight to the blind. I have walked upon the waters, and from the dwellers in the tombs I have cast out devils. I have fed the hungry in the desert where there was no food, and I have raised the dead from their narrow houses. And at my bidding, and before a great multitude of people, a barren fig tree withered away. All things that this man has done, I have done also, and yet they have not crucified me.